Hi, Mark Schweibinz with Property Resources. In the last few months, we've had a lot of questions from our audience about how many buildings we've been buying. Since 2020, we've bought 12 properties. I think we resold 3 of them, keeping 9, hopefully forever. And we end up with a lot of people coming to us and asking us, how do you keep finding good deals? Well, it starts with the fact that this is kind of an old school company. We still believe in blocking and tackling. We have 5 guys here that are all making phone calls all week long to property owners to figure out what they might want to do with their properties, and that's how we uncover our buying opportunities. We're probably reaching out to 200 to 300 property owners each and every week. So then people ask, some of these deals look like really good deals. What's your buying criteria? And it's really simple. We start with, what's the price per foot of the asset relative to replacement cost? You can find high yield deals, but they might be selling at a price that's above what you could build it for, and that's an asset that one day is going to have less rent. We're looking for assets that are only going to experience one thing, and that's increased rents. So we're always looking for buildings that are rented below market. We're also looking for buildings that have a lot of short-term leases. And the biggest thing with the shorter-term leases is you want to make sure most of the tenants do not have fixed options to renew. So virtually everything we've bought to hold, we have raised those rates. And I think every single building we have right now is yielding north of 10% from acquisition price, unlevered. Just quickly to remind everyone my background, I ran the biggest firm here in the city. Property Resources once had 78 employees and was the biggest property management and leasing company in the Triangle. I sold that to CB Richard Ellis, went on to build 85 buildings as GC and developer, and did all that with my own money. About 9 years ago, we rebranded Property Resources as a commercial brokerage firm with an acquisition component. Due to the fact that we keep buying buildings, we are looking for investors. We're looking for accredited investors and people that can invest $250,000 or more. And if that happens to be you, maybe you should give us a call and see what it is we're up to. Thank you again. Phone number's at the bottom of the screen. Appreciate your attention.